Hi kids, today let's practice reading together. I see a car. Can you read it with me? I see a car. Now try reading it by yourself. Fantastic! The car is blue. Read it with me. The car is blue. Now try reading the sentence by yourself. Fantastic. The car is on the grass. Let's read together. The car is on the grass. Now it's your turn to read. Great job. Keep going. The tree is green. It has a brown trunk. Let's read again. The tree is green. It has a brown trunk. Great effort. Now try reading it by yourself. Fantastic reading. A red butterfly flies near the tree. Let's read together. A red butterfly flies near the tree. Now, can you try reading it by yourself? Great reading! I see a blue cloud and a star in the sky. Let's read it again. I see a blue cloud and a star in the sky. Fantastic! Now, I want you to try reading this sentence by yourself. Great job! Some pretty yellow flowers grow by the tree. Alright, let's read it again. Some pretty yellow flowers grow by the tree. Can you try reading this sentence by yourself? Great reading! Let's keep going. The bright sun smiles in the sky. Let's read it again. The bright sun smiles in the sky. Alright, now it's your turn to read the sentence. Go ahead. Excellent reading. It is a very beautiful day. Let's read it one more time. It is a very beautiful day. Yes, now it's your turn to read. Fantastic, kids. Let's read the whole story one more time. I see a blue car on the grass. The tree is green. It has a brown trunk. A red butterfly flies near the tree. I see a blue cloud and a star in the sky. Some pretty yellow flowers grow by the tree. The bright sun smiles in the sky. It is a very beautiful day. Good job. Now let's read together. Come on. I see a blue car on the grass. The tree is green. It has a brown trunk. A red butterfly flies near the tree. I see a blue cloud and a star in the sky. Some pretty yellow flowers grow by the tree. The bright sun smiles in the sky. It is a very beautiful day. Great reading, kids! You did an awesome job. Now, I want you to try reading it by yourself. Did you read the entire story? That's great! Give yourself a pat on the back, kids. That was awesome. Let's read some questions from the story. What color is the car? It is a blue car. Fantastic! Next question. What is flying in the air? A butterfly. Great job! Question number 3. Where is the sun? The sun is in the sky. Very good. Number 4. What grows by the tree? Pretty yellow flowers. Question number 5. Is it a beautiful day? Yes, it is. Fantastic job, kids. Feel free to download the worksheet from the link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe to BrainPopz for more such fun reading and phonics videos. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye-bye.